Here I want to show you sort of how I sort of set up my classes. I use Canvas. I often use Slooh images in my setup for these things, but this is a typical module that I might have. I use the OpenStax textbook system, and the OpenStax books are all free for you to use. They have a lot of different subjects, and the OpenStax system is continually updated. So if you see something in the textbooks that you know needs to be changed, you can contact them, and it's fairly easy because it's a digital setup to make those changes. They'll put the editing in. That makes a difference from a lot of hardbound textbooks that I used to use, which almost as soon as I would get it, I would find things that were out of date. And I'm still finding that even in the OpenStax, just minor things here and there. But what I'll do is say for the stellar and galactic astronomy class, I'll have different chapters. Chapter 15 and 16 in OpenStax start with the sun. So what we have is the PowerPoint and the lecture. I always have lectures that are recorded on YouTube. I have my own YouTube channel. So if you wanted to look up to see what kinds of lectures I give with the OpenStax works, you can find those there. And then we have a lab that will be working with Slooh. Since our first module would be with the sun, I would have them get familiar with Slooh in the context of using the solar telescope and doing some live observations with that. Let's see. And there we are. So then we would go on to the next module. And what would happen from this, you see we continue on with our OpenStax chapters. And then we have another Slooh lab that is specifically keyed towards those particular chapters. A lot of the quests have a particular designation with regards to the chapters on OpenStax, and I'll show you a curriculum guide here shortly. You can download it yourself from the Slooh site. We do follow next generation science standards for especially K through 12 criteria. We do have the Common Core standards, and you can go to those sites, and you can also look at our curriculum guide to see how those fit.